is my desk, and I like it a lot. I spend probably 10 hours a day here. I know, crazy, right? But the only thing I don't like about it is these corners. They kill the knees. We're also getting some damage on the desk. I've tried different things, just not working out to my satisfaction. So I've come up with these safety bumpers for kids, relatively cheap and available many times overnight, depending on where you live. And I'm going to try running these up here and see how well they do. Installs in minutes and saves your knees and your furniture. So let's get a little tighter look here and see what we're up against. I'll post down below where you can get these. This one here is 15 millimeters or 1.5 centimeters or 0.6 inches. You can see that it's got a nice little curve to it on either side. This one is 0.4 inches. It's a little bit cheaper by a couple bucks, and this is 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches per side. So on the right side I'm going to put this guy, and the left side I'm going to put this guy. I've cut off 1 foot pieces of this. The smaller one actually came with cleaning wipe 1, cleaning wipe 2. This is the wet, this is the dry, so I'm going to use those on both sides. Here on one side you can see there's a good bit of wear there, but not a lot on the inside. Here it's a little different. Got some wear here on the inside, but a little less on this edge. And that's just from running the chair in and out and running my knees into this sharp corner. Hurts like heck. We're going to put it on this side and this side. If your bumpers didn't come with anything like this, you could just use like a lens cleaner or a wet one and then just dry it off with a lint-free towel. So that's the wet. Same thing over here. See, there's some of the lint you got to take out. I'm just going to run that up here like this and make it, it'll be nice and clear. This is where my wear pattern is. I'm just going to come up here, line it up, and then you can just peel it on the sides like this. And then just keep, peel it down, push it in place, peel it down, push it in place. It's a nice transparent finish. I had come up with some ways of using some vinyl tubing, but I wasn't really satisfied with it. And by the time you've bought the vinyl tubing, you can just get one of these bumpers. And this not only protects your knees, but also the furniture. It's designed to go on furniture. And there you go. You can barely see that. But, oh, I'm smiling right now because I know this is going to save my knee and my desk. This is a smaller version. Give it plenty of room. Line it up. It is that nice corner here. And it goes great on a sharp edge. Line it up, press it down, peel. Peel. You know, I wish I would have done this when I first got the desk. And I had younger kids at the time, so I should have known. I would I would not dare do this before this bumper came in. So here's the narrow gauge. You can see that it comes out to here on the outside. Here is the thicker gauge. This is 15 millimeters, 10 millimeters. Now, do you need a foot? No, I think you can get away with 6 inches, 8 inches, whatever it is, wherever your wear pattern happens to be on the desk, and probably related directly to how high or low your chair goes. And then your knee sits here like this, so you want it both for your knee, which is why I have it all the way up here, and the protection from the chair. It's a lot more comfortable than trying to run your knee into something that sharp. I mean, that's almost like a blade. There's no way I would ever do that to this angle without the bumpers. It also protects your furniture from other furniture. I wish I would have done that a long time ago. I think I like the thinner profile now than the thicker one. This provides more protection than this one, but you can barely see the smaller version here. And I like how it just kind of curves around like that, as opposed to just being flat. It gives you a little more protection both from the furniture aspect and from the human aspect. Like, oh, right down here, up here, that hurts. This, I mean, I wouldn't want to do it all day, but it's tolerable. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in real inexpensive solutions to home repairs to prevent damage to you and your furniture, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know. Here we go. What you're gonna see.